Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 27 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Mouth? Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 75 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador.
What?
I see you going like this in the background. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is Yakety-Yak of... Thanks. Good thing you're not over here. Wow. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 86 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. We are also on the Sunrise in the Limelight Lounge. Obviously not open, but it's a nice quiet place, and it's actually quite pretty. I think this used to be the cigar bar on these boats, because there probably is a secret staircase around that corner, which we're going to investigate. Anyway, Yakety-Yak.
Blooper?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
Hi. Hi, we'll put that in the blooper reel since the producer's coughing in the background.
Oh, now producer got downgraded.
Director? Director, producer, and CEO. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is... Sorry, I want to double check, make sure my mic goes on. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 99 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. That's okay, we're just recording.
Alright.
There's a blooper there. And we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. It just got brighter in here.
I know. We didn't have to say anything. Alright, let's make that as a blooper. Action.
John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. You can also compliment the crew. You can also complain. On it. I'm just watching you bouncing your head back and forth. All right, question one. This cruiser wanted to know, who's at the front door? Who's at the front door? I don't know. We'll find out in a minute.
Thank you. You too.
It was an Amazon delivery.
Nope, sticker mule.
Sticker mule. So it means you got hot sauce too.
Alright. Start again.
Blooper reel.
What?
Although I did what I do, she's like, look at your watch. Hello. There goes another blood vessel. No, you're good. You're good. He answers the questions. So we read the questions, and we put the weird, the funny, the cool here from you.
And action. Don't look at me. Look at...
I'm looking at the camera.
Okay.
I've done this a couple times. This might be the 122nd time, give or take.
Alright.
Hi.
Wait. We forgot to put that on. Okay.
Hi. Am I good now? Blooper. Apparently we didn't have the fan light on. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts. Sorry. Yelled at by the producer.
I thought I was the director.
Director, producer, editor, grip.
Okay.
No, I'm the grip. I put my own mic on. Never mind. So we're having alignment issues here. And we're not aligned on the alignment.
Hi, I'm Chris.
Liz says it every time when I'm here, and I can, in my mind, hear her saying it in the background, so I think she should do one.
No, anyway, go ahead.
Very good.
Blooper reel.
Meh. Meow. Back to yawning. This is shot on a Saturday after a full long week of work, so I'm tired. Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 139 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. Sorry, you start that over. I had a spit bubble.
Blooper.
Yeah, I think so. Like, bloop. Request that he get thrown in the brig or the jail on the cruise for the rest of the cruise because he is pissing her off. John said...
Sorry. Alright, do it again.
Oh.
I think I just peed myself.
I gotta pee too, so I hope I don't cough because I probably will.
Alright, go ahead. Yeah, I peed myself.
That makes it a lot easier. She peed herself. All right. And I don't have a printer. How do I get a boarding pass?
How to get a boarding pass?
It's been a long day.